Developed on the proven CV90 infantry fighting vigor, the CV90 Armadillo is another variant of the family, serving as a heavy armor personnel carrier. The APC is designed to be versatile in multiple roles, taking the family's outstanding mobility, protection, and payload to a new level. The CV90 Armadillo shares many components with previous versions, thus reducing logistical requirements. The CV90's traditional two-man turret was removed and replaced with a remote weapon station, further enhancing its payload capability. The Armadillo layout is almost identical to the older CV90. The driver is located in the front left of the hull, with the engine bay to his right. The vehicle commander is stationed in the middle of the hull, in the main vehicle compartment, which then extends to the hull rear. A third crewman, depending on vehicle variant, is seated to the right of the commander. This armor personnel carrier is well protected. On-ramp protection is against 25mm armor-piercing projectiles. Vehicle is well protected against landmines and IED blasts. Developers claim that it withstands mine blasts with explosive weight in excess of 10 kilograms. Vehicle is fitted with NBC protection system. It also has external fire suppression equipment. It is extended to protect from urban warfare attacks, such as Molotov cocktails. The Armadillo has a payload capacity of 9 tons, which can be used to increase protection to even higher levels. Armadillo's remote weapon station is armed with 7.62mm 12.7mm machine guns or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. The remotely controlled weapon station can accommodate heavier weapons up to 35mm caliber. BAE Systems headlines have also stated that the Armadillo could be fitted with a new adaptive camouflage technology. All of this combined makes the Armadillo the most highly protected tracked APC in NATO. The Armadillo is powered by a new Scania 810 horsepower diesel engine. It features an improved suspension system and new rubber tracks. This not only lowers the vehicle overall noise, but also vibrations, reducing the crew's and occupants' fatigue. The maximum speed is up to 68 km per hour, and the range is 900 km. The CV90 Armadillo can be modified to become a personnel carrier, an ambulance, a command and control center, a recovery vehicle, and many other non-turreted variants at low cost due to 80% commonality among variants.